Students, today our topic over here is theorem number 2 from chapter number 12 as you know it, and the objective over here is if a side of a triangle is extended, the exterior angle so formed is in measure greater than the either of the two interior opposite angles. Now to understand the object, we have a figure over here. We have a triangle ABC and we have extended its side BC to the point E. Because if we will extend it, we will get an exterior angle of it. And as we have the exterior angle, according to the object of the theorem, that the exterior angle so formed is in measure greater than either of two interior opposite angles. Now what are those angles? Interior opposite angles in this figure it's angle A and angle B. So we have what we have given, a triangle ABC extended line BC to point E. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that measurement of angle ACE, this angle ACE, is greater than measure angle A, and measure angle ACE is greater than measure angle B. Now what we do individually, not combined, but individually measure angle ACE should be greater than measure angle A, and measure angle ACE should be greater than measure angle B. That we have to prove. And now to prove that, we have a construction over here. And what is that? That we will draw a point D in such manner that the distance of BO, and what is point O? Point O is that we will cut line AC in the half, that AO and OC will be equal in length, and the point D as that BO, the line BO and line OD will be equal in length. And that's our construction. We will write over here, and then we will join the point D with point C. Okay, so it is cut AC in half at point O and draw a line B to D such as BO, line BO is equals to line OD, and then join C to D, point C to D. We will join point C to D. So what do we have over here? After this construction, we have two triangles within the correspondence, and these two triangles are triangle AOB in the correspondence of triangle COD. Triangle AOB, this triangle, and triangle COD, this triangle. These both triangles are in the correspondence of each other. So therefore, we can clearly see that line AO, the distance of AO is congruent to OC, as we have given that both are equal, because point O is the midpoint. So it's in the construction. Okay? And then we have, what do we have over here? Angle AOB and angle COD. These two angles will be congruent. How then? That angle AOB will be congruent to angle COD. Both of them will be congruent to each other because both are vertically opposite angles. As we can see, that line BD and line AC both are intersecting at point O, and the opposite angles are called vertically opposite angles. So therefore they will be congruent. And then point 3, we have BO, line BO will be congruent to line OD because it's in the construction. We have mentioned it that it's in the construction, it will be equal. We have mentioned it, we have to draw that it will be equal to each other. If two such lines it will be equal to each other, they will be congruent. Now, according to the property of triangles, we have that triangle AOB will be congruent to triangle COD according to the side angle side postulate. Every triangle, students, every triangle have 3 sides and 3 angles. Therefore, if in combinedly we can say that 6 things are over here, 6 things mentioned in a triangle, we can clearly see. And if any 2 triangles in the correspondence of each other have any 3 things common, so therefore these 2 triangles will be congruent to each other according to side angle side postulate. Now, if these 2 triangles are congruent to each other, therefore angle A will be congruent to angle OCD. Okay? Because by the congruency of triangles. By the congruency of triangles, you can clearly see that angle A will be congruent to angle OCD. This one angle, this angle OCD. And if we have like this, therefore, we can clearly see that angle ACE equals to angle OCD plus angle DCE. angle ACE equals to angle OCD plus angle DCE. Both combine to form angle ACE. Now, if angle ACA is equals to angle OCD plus angle DCE, so we can say that angle ACE will be greater than angle OCD. And the reason behind that whole is greater than its part. The whole is greater than its part, therefore angle ACE will be greater than angle OCD. And if ACE is greater than angle OCD, then we know that OCD is equals to angle A. We have written over here by the congruency of triangles. Therefore, ACE will be greater than angle A. As angle A is equals to angle OCD, therefore angle ACE is greater than angle OCD. So what we will get? We will get that angle ACE will also be greater than angle A over here. And that has to be proven. And in the reason we can write angle OCD is equals to angle A, because both are congruent according to the congruency of the triangles we have proven above. And now angle ACE will be greater than angle B also by repeating the above process.